Welcome to Fountain Valley. I'm at Hue Oi. Hue is actually the imperial city in central Vietnam, known for some of the best food on the planet. So here, let me introduce you to the Danhi family. They own this place, and I came down to learn how to make dumplings from her.
Hi, how are you?
I am very good. Nice to see you. So we have rice flour, tapioca starch,
and water.
Cover on, heat up. Oh wow, full heat.
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
So I've got the steamed rice cake on the bottom, the hun, right, the green onion with the oil, the pork crackling, and the shrimp. And so thank you for bringing a taste of Vietnam to me here
Thank you.
in Southern California. I appreciate it.